Hi, I'm Kiralee.
And I'm Taryn.
And we're from Queens of Clutter. We're a Perth decluttering service that specialise in organising and decluttering people's homes.
And we're here today with Summit Homes at their beautiful display in Mandogala. And we're here to show their beautiful kitchen and pantries and give you some tips and tricks on how to use it both functionally and aesthetically. Everyone loves a beautiful clear kitchen, but it's really easy for your bench tops and cupboards to get full of clutter. These floor to ceiling cupboards make it really easy to keep your bench tops clear and everything in its place. We've got the coffee station in here where Summit Homes have put a great PowerPoint at the back to plug in your appliances, tea and coffee right there when you need it. We've also put the first aid kit and a little vitamin kit up there. Keeps it high enough that the kids can't get into it, but it's easily accessible for if you have those little accidents. Tip number 2 for keeping a clear bench space is to keep your small appliances in the cupboard. Easily accessible, can whip them in and out in a moment's notice. And we've also included a small cleaning station up here just for those everyday spills, and again, keeps the benches clear, quickly put away. When you're designing your kitchen, it's really important to put as many drawers in as possible to really maximise the amount of space that you've got. Putting these drawers right next to the oven here makes it really convenient, so you're not dashing around the kitchen from spot to spot, and everything is right there accessible where you need it.